Hofgarten in Munich.
We are in a park nearby the EU Business School campus.
And I chose this place because in summer, all of us come here and there's a river nearby where we go for swimming.
When we have this sunny weather in Munich, it's nice to hang around and study before going classes.
I would take my friends to Marienplatz, and show the gardens, the monuments and the museums.
In the EU Business School, we have a group and we are able to practice football in the Olympia Park, so it's super nice.